My name is Ayman Khoshouey, Assistant General Manager in GUPCO General Maintenance Department. I'm also a member in the implementation team of SAP's S/4HANA ERP system, which will replace IBM Maximo ERP system. I started thinking of this abstract when notes with my family. The most cafe and restaurant replaced the hard copy paper menu with a sticker QR code of on a craft QR code on a piece of food on the table. The first idea to use the QR code in the system in maintenance assets management is replacing the corrosive nameplate to nameplate. This nameplate from actually my company field corroded. The QR code contains about 2,000 characters. That means one Microsoft Word page of data. I prepared an HTML web page that converts the main assets data to be QR code image, and it can be scanned only with a mobile device in the platform from the report. The QR code can be printed on waterproof and heat-proof oil resistance paper. It's very cheap, about $250 US for a package of 200 sheets. It also can contain the preventive maintenance details, the PM details, and the job plan tasks in the same QR code. As you see here, you can bypass the QR code sample. You can scan this with your camera or your mobile QR code scanner to see the result. QR code can stick on the asset itself to have all details, and the report don't need to contact office or contact engineer to see the details. Also, you can make dynamic checklist for the web page, and when scan the QR code from the asset, you can dynamically fill the dynamic form with any handwriting on paper. If you use digital screen for the QR code, you can put it over the assets and show the parameters of temperature, pressure, and all parameters from the asset. You can connect with the Yokogawa or SCADA system. In other area, you can put the QR code in large size like A3 or A2 or A1, and it can scan from distance 3 meters to 5 meters. This is a single distance of size of QR code. Another idea to use digital screen connected with Wi-Fi to the mobile and input the data directly to the control. You can scan the QR code directly from the assets and connect with IBM Maximo, this in our company, or to the SAP new system, ERP system. In Maximo, I already add this QR code in the work order itself, in the long description of the Maximo if you use IBM Maximo. You can add the location using Google Map, the location of the asset itself, also on the QR code, to determine the location of similar assets. It can give you the asset accuracy from 5 to 10 meters, depending upon the mobile and the satellite systems. You can scan this for the source code from my website, and also I have this QR code in the paper you have. Thank you. For any questions, it will be in the last of the session. If anyone, I have 5 minutes. If anyone need to ask.
My question is about the drawbacks or the disadvantages or the findings based on your practice with this QR code, like maybe network issue, maybe what you find maybe a challenge.
This is in the local intranet of the company, not using an internet connection. It is the QR code generation tool, and also the scan. It is inside the company using Android application developed by our team in IT. It is not used in any internet or any cloud system inside the company.
Any other challenges you face in operating?
Yes, printing is a challenge to printing the sheet in a metal aluminum. This is a little high cost for instead of paper. But I try to make it in an aluminum sheet, and it is a success to print it in color. Yes.
Another question?
Yeah, thank you for this great presentation. My question is, this method requires that the documentation of the product is available in an analog manner, right?
Yes, we have all documentation and the data already in the system, but we...
Okay.
Yes.
So this means you have all the data, there is no lack of data?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, that's good,
Yes.
thank you.
Any other question?
Thank you. Thank you.